The Great Shoe Showdown.
Rahul and Priya had been married for just 3 months, and life was mostly wonderful, except for one tiny, shoe-sized problem. Every day, Rahul would walk into the house straight from outside, leaving a trail of dust and dirt behind. Priya, who loved keeping the floors spotless, had tried everything: gentle reminders, dramatic sighs, even exaggerated slow-motion stares. Nothing worked. But what puzzled Priya the most? Rahul always removed his shoes when visiting friends' houses. One evening, she decided to test her theory. "Hey, Rahul, let's go to Amit's place," she said cheerfully. "Sure," he replied, slipping on his sneakers. "Don't forget to take them off when we get there," she added sweetly. Rahul laughed. "Obviously. You think I'd walk in with dirty shoes? That's just rude."
What?
Priya's eye twitched. "So it's rude for Amit's house, but not ours?" The next day, Priya came up with a plan. She placed a hidden ball of soapy water just inside the doorway. As soon as Rahul stepped in, splash, his socks were soaked. "Oops. Guess you should have taken your shoes off," Priya said, handing him a towel. Rahul groaned but laughed it off. Priya was satisfied. Surely, this would make him change his ways? No. The next day, there were muddy footprints in the hallway again. Clearly, it was time for stronger measures. Priya decided to step things up. She placed a small speaker near the door that played a loud beep whenever someone walked in with shoes. Then, an automated voice announced, "Intruder alert! Intruder alert! You have violated House Rule 1. Remove shoes." Rahul nearly jumped out of his skin the first time it happened.
What?
Priya, pretending to be surprised, said, "Wow, I guess our house really wants you to take your shoes off." But Rahul, being Rahul, found a workaround. He started tiptoeing in extra carefully, hoping to dodge the censor. One evening, Rahul returned home to find all his shoes missing. His heart pounded. "Priya, my shoes. Where are they?" She smiled innocently. "You mean those things that never leave your feet? I sent them on vacation to Amit's place, since that's where they get treated with respect." Rahul groaned. All right. I'll take my shoes off from now on." But Priya wasn't done. "For every day you remember, you get a reward," she announced. "Maybe a special dinner, a foot massage. Who knows?"
Aww, so cute.
Rahul grinned. "Now this is a policy I can support." And from that day on, Rahul made sure to leave his shoes at the door. Not out of fear, but for the unexpected surprises that came with being a barefoot husband. Everyday challenges don't need to be battles. With a little creativity, humor, and love, small problems can turn into memorable moments of connection.